Day 42. We've sought refuge in an abandoned building bench area. We're out of water. We need sushi.
Send help.
Alright, hello YouTube. My name is Zen, and this is...
I'm Zen.
Oh yeah, that's Zen. I'm PJ, and this is Geeks on Bikes. Welcome to our first outing video. We're gonna have all different kinds of content, but once a week we'll put out a video that has to do with just random places we go to. And today we're gonna go and check out a brand new revolving sushi place. But to give you a little bit of background on us, we have been writing for, I don't know, how many months have we been writing for now?
You have at least had it for a year now, right?
No, it hasn't been a year yet.
Oh.
No, I got it back in February, so we got
Oh, okay.
So Zen's on a Vespa GTS 250, we'll start there. I am on a, it's a 2007 GTS 250 from Vespa. I am on a KTM Adventure 390, so, you know, because I'm an ADV dad, I'm at that age where it just made the most sense. We've been riding since January is when we got her bike, and that's her bike, and I got mine in February, and we are loving it. So yeah, we have become like daily commuters. We do everything we can possibly do on a bike, we do on a bike, which, you know, during this crazy gas prices time, that's been really, really handy to have. That about covers that. So yeah, on our way to get some yummy sushi. This isn't too bad a ride through here.
No, it's actually pretty fast. The road's nice.
Yeah.
Good amount of traffic, but not too much.
Yeah, it's good times. It's good times, no?
Yes.
Bippity boppity. Okay.
You don't have to back up. It's okay.
Maybe I want to back up.
Okay, fine. Back that ass up.
Back that ass up. Out of the corner of my eye, I couldn't tell if there was a lizard crossing the street or if it was a shadow from a bird.
Oh, what did it turn out to be?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to review the footage.
It's both.
Oh yeah, another forewarning. We're very random, so get ready for like potentially random things to be said or happen, or, you know, our brains are messed up. We are massive geeks as well, which is why this is called Geeks on Bikes. So, you know, if you hear a random, you know, Star Trek quote or something, you know, sorry. Come to terms with it.
Don't apologize. Yeah, exactly.
Join us in the journey.
Come to the geek side.
Come to the geek side. What? Alright, moving over. Let's do... I guess we can stay in this lane. No, you know what? Let's go one over.
Okay.
I don't trust people on these kinds of turns because they tend to overshoot and go into the other lane. Backing that ass up. Stop it. This is a family channel.
No,
it isn't. It is not. Shh. So we are going into that that place. We're going to go to Panda Express instead. I'm in a panda mood.
Nobody's ever really exactly in a pandemic. I mean, okay, hold on. Let me back up.
Yeah, that's not true.
No, it's not true. I am not currently in a panda mood. How's that?
Okay, this driveway here.
Okay. Go for it.
Okay. And now we find the parking. Hey, there's a Disney gifts store. All right, let's go this way. And we're going to go around.
Kura.
Ah, there it is, Kira. Actually, here, let's go one more. Sorry.
Pretty sure the pronunciation is Kura.
Kura.
But
oh, Kura.
PJ has issue with
everything.
Japanese pronunciations.
Is there anything shady? No, not really.
There's
okay.
There's this really awesome ramen place in Little Tokyo in LA. It's called
Daikokuya?
Daikokuya. And he has never pronounced it correctly once.
Look you. All right, we have a ride. We'll pick back up in a moment. Boop. Oi, oh, getting attacked. Okay. Where are you at? All right. We're adventuring into the sushi place. Estimated wait time, 1 hour and 15 minutes. What do you want to do?
It's up to you.
Do we want to go for it or not?
Sure, why not?
Okay. No, I think we want table. Your number is 57. Okay.
You want to go check out Crumble Cookie?
Sure. Is there any place to get a beer around here?
I don't know.
This is so very us. Wait time, 78 minutes. Holy shit. Why is it everywhere we want to go has ridiculously long wait times?
Because we're foodies.
I don't know.
PJ, you're acting like an NPC.
It has been decided. We are temporarily going to have some iced coffee of some kind and maybe a cookie. Where's Crumble Cookie? Oh, there's Crumble Cookie. Perfect. Crumble Cookie is closed. Ah, it's Sunday. Reporting back. Click the link to see where we're at in the wait. You're number 57. You are 22nd on the wait list. 22th. 22nd? 22nd.
22nd.
22nd, right? So decisions have been made. We've decided to go to Chipotle and have chips and guac and drinks. We'll see how that goes. They're probably close to.
For now.
For now. We're still going to, the sushi place. It's just temporary. Okay, mission accomplished. We made it to Chipotle. Chips and guac. I got the mandarin agua fresca. Zen got the watermelon limeade. This good? Okay. We'll report back soon. Oh. Okay, current update on the situation. We've been boiling outside for 40 minutes. We decided to come into a Disney gift shop that sells alligator heads. It's pretty awesome. We're going to 5 below. We're hoping that means the temperature is 5 below. Should we get the vlogging kit? Day 42. We've seeked refuge in an abandoned building bench area. You're out of water. We need sushi.
Send help.
I have received a text message. It is almost your turn. Please have your entire party together and wait outside an entrance area patiently until your number is called. Patiently. Thank you.
We have been summoned. They have Sapporo draft, Asahi
The shoe. What is it?
It's acrylic sticker.
Oh, that was anticlimactic. I like the little bow. It's very cute. Whew, okay, we're leaving. We're full. We're hydrated again. Full story on the bike. Okay, so heading back from Kura, how do you say it?
Kura.
Kura. From Kura Revolving Sushi.
Feel free to correct us on our pronunciations. Neither one of us are native Japanese speakers. If you know the correct pronunciation for those words, leave a comment, let us know.
Because we don't know any better. But we know what tastes good and what doesn't. And I would say there was a good number of really tasty items, and there was some items that,
It wasn't bad. It was just, you know, average. I really like the warabi mochi, which is just like a liquidy mochi. It had like a peanut, hold on one second, car. It had this peanut butter powder on the outside of it, which was really, really yummy.
Yeah, I really liked the one with the salmon skin with the bonito flakes. Had a very smoky flavor to it. Very good. Yeah, all in all, pretty cool experience. What are your final? I wouldn't wait 2 hours for it though. Again.
Yeah, 2.5 hour almost was a little bit of a long wait, but you know, it was a really cool, inventive concept. I actually had to look this up while we're in the restaurant, but basically this guy, his name is Yoshiaki Shiraishi. He actually was looking for a better way to stock his restaurant because he had not, like, there was a lack of waitress staff, and so he invented the conveyor belt based on this Asahi beer factory conveyor belt. And then the first restaurant was opened in 1958, I believe.
Yeah, it sounds like the modern day problems were also problems in the past. Okay, well, I hope y'all enjoyed our very first outing vlog thingy McBobber. It was a long one. Sorry about that. It felt like there was a lot to cover in our first time out. But if you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe.
Geeks on Bikes.
Geeks on Bikes, and we'll have more content coming to you soon. Bye!
Bye!
Bye! Bye! Bye! Now we can't talk to each other the rest of the way home.
And we must.
No, we
Look
can't.
at how pretty it is.
There's potential content being missed out on.
Look at how cool this ride is.
I'm going to bed now. Good night.
No, don't even play.